Over 50,000 bicycles are stolen every year in England. But there's some good news. Bicycle theft is actually on the decline. In the year ending March 2024, nearly 60,000 bikes were reported stolen to police. Fast forward to March 2025, and that number has dropped by more than 8%, down to just under 55,000. That's almost 5,000 fewer bikes stolen in just 1 year. Some regions have seen even bigger improvements. The North East and East Midlands both recorded a 20% drop in thefts, meaning over 1,400 fewer bikes were taken in those areas alone. But despite the overall progress, certain regions are still hotspots for bicycle theft. After adjusting for population, Greater London tops the list with 176 thefts per 100,000 people, followed by Yorkshire and the Humber with 89 per 100,000. So what can cyclists do to protect their bikes? Experts recommend a few key precautions. Double locking your bike through both the frame and the wheel to an immovable object can make a big difference, especially if you use two different types of locks. Thieves are less likely to have the right tools for both. The type of lock you use also matters, and some insurers require locks to meet specific standards or be chosen from an approved list. Security marking and registering your bike can also help improve the chances of getting it back if it's stolen. And when it comes to insurance, it's important to know the details. For example, storing your bike out of sight is crucial. If your bike is visible through a garage window, some insurers might consider it not properly protected, which could void your coverage. If you're worried about costs, there are now theft-only insurance options available. So it's worth comparing what's out there to find the right fit for your needs. Whether you're commuting, riding for fun, or covering multiple bikes, taking a few extra steps can help keep your bike safe and your mind at ease.
Quote Zone. Find a better deal